Okay, and actually a thief looks very similar to this tool. So you see how that's through? Okay. You pull that through out. Then this goes through. But it's already unraveling because it's a piece of shit and they didn't do it right. Okay. Here's your second. Okay. Here's your second. Now you see what happens when you start yanking on it? It locks itself down. And you go about another handful. You can, I like to leave about, because it ends up being like 2 fingers, and you go another handful. And we're at about here. Right here. And then you punch another hole through the chingle hooter. So you find another spot. Just kind of give it a little bird cage it, just kind of open it up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Remember, you don't want to punch through all the strands, you just want it to release. There it is. See how that's through? You puff it up. See how it's puffed up? And you drop the alignment tool through it. Just like that. And you come back in through the other side again. And the secret is these guys that make these ropes, wherever that this end piece is done properly. And if it's done properly, it's melted down into a fine little point. And this one is not. You guys suck. There it goes. There's the other one. So you'll see you have one under, over, under. And as you see here, it'll start to lock itself up. You gotta go one more, which will get us to right about here. Once again, open that sucker up. Fine, you'll see the light right through it. You'll be able to just push the screwdriver right through all of it. There it is. Just like yay. Nice. Put it up really, really well. Slide it out gently. Nice big hole. And she goes to the bottom. And this is mile marker style. There it is. You see that, people? That's what it's supposed to look like. Now, right here, this last little bit, we have enough for one more, and then the tie off. So I kind of actually measured it kind of right. Because most people fuck this up, including me. Another hole, another through. Like yay. And then through the bottom. There it is. Now that gets a little piece of tape right there.
You want to torch it, or just tape's fine?
You can tape. You can tape it, or you can just leave it as is. Now what ends up happening is under tension, it starts squeezing down on it, and you feel it. You'll feel it just start to squeeze down on it. There it is. Now we're going to